Immaculate. Perfectly clean, neat, or tidy.
Their house is small, but immaculate. The kitchen looks immaculate after cleaning.
Evaporate. To turn from liquid into gas or to disappear gradually.
After some time, the water on the ground evaporated. The fog evaporated as the sun came out.
Lethargic. Feeling very tired, slow, or having no energy.
I feel lethargic today. I don't want to do anything. I didn't sleep well, so I'm feeling lethargic.
Rupture. To break or burst suddenly, like a body part, a pipe, or a relationship.
The pipe ruptured due to high water pressure. She was crying because her eardrum ruptured.
Reluctant. Unwilling or hesitant to do something.
He was reluctant to speak in front of the large audience. She felt reluctant to try the new food.
Vulgar. Something rude, offensive, or not polite, especially in the way someone talks or behaves.
Don't use vulgar words in front of children. He made a vulgar comment, and everyone was shocked.
Elated. Feeling extremely happy or joyful.
She was elated when she got accepted into her dream university. They were elated after winning the final match.
Immaculate. Perfectly clean, neat, or tidy.
Their house is small but immaculate. The kitchen looks immaculate after cleaning.
Elated. Very happy or joyful.
He was elated after winning the game. Mom was elated to see my good grades.
Felicitate. To congratulate or praise someone for their achievement or success.
They felicitated her with a bouquet and a gift. She was felicitated in the school assembly.
Disband. To break up or stop working together as a group, such as a team, band, or organization.
The music band will disband after the concert. We disbanded the study group after exams.
Defile. To make something dirty, impure, or spoiled, especially something that should be clean or respected.
Don't defile the river by throwing trash in it. The air was defiled by smoke from the fire. They defiled the park by leaving trash everywhere.
Confide. To share a secret or private information with someone you trust.
She confided her problems to her best friend. He confided that he was feeling sad.
Strive. To try very hard to do something or achieve something.
I always strive to do my best in school. She strives to achieve her goals through hard work.
Compassionate. Showing sympathy, care, and a desire to help others.
The nurse was very compassionate toward the injured child. We need compassionate leaders in times of crisis.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. See you next time.